Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bridget. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this stylish look using my Revlon blow dryer. So if you guys are interested, please consider off on wet hair. I just got out the shower. I'm gonna be putting some of this in my hair before I start, only because this is gonna help the bottom of my ends. I don't really put that on top of my head, only because it gets really greasy easily for my hair, so I prefer to put it on my ends just to help it way better. And then I'm also gonna be putting some of this in my hair before I start, and then I will be using my Revlon. This works amazing, trust me it does. So I'm gonna put some of this in.
Trying to resist, we can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about.
Alright, so now I'm gonna put my hair in sections. Just gonna take this and put this in a little bun. So now we have our two sections. So I sprayed more on the ends only because like my hair gets really dry at the end. So this is hopefully this works for me. Okay, so when I start, I usually go like under and then I go at the top, just so I can get the roots to really like dry up here, and then I start off at the bottom. So because my roots take a long time to dry, so I usually start off from the bottom and then I work my way up. Every piece of hair is different. I like to have it like different. I don't really do it in the same way, just so you can give it like a more like a stylish look. That's just me personally.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay. Sit right next to you.
Okay, so the first piece is done. I also forgot to mention, I do use the high setting like at first, and then later on I use the low setting only because I don't want to like burn my hair too much or just make it too much hot. So I usually switch from high to low. But this is how it looks. It looks very nice and it's very soft. So now I'm gonna start the other one. So now I'm starting off on the next section. Do the same process, spraying my hair and then brushing my hair and then doing down and then upwards to each section.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna do is an emphasis on replay. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want it. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
here. Well, not the last, but like, you know, last. Ugh, it gets so hot doing this. So I'm just so glad, but yes, guys.
Then dip me underway. Then dip me underway. Hold me till I'm free. Hold me till I'm free. Forever and wash me over until my will. Deep, 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 deep. Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach.
This is the final look. I absolutely love it. I feel like a new person. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you loves soon.